Let me out. Palabasin mo ako. I'm worn out. Napagod ako. She went out. Lumabas siya. I felt left out. Naramdaman kong iniwan ako. Didn't you go out? Hindi ka ba lumabas? I should head out. Dapat na akong lumabas. I was out all day. Nasa labas ako buong araw. It's time to go out. Oras na para lumabas. We ran out of food. Naubusan kami ng pagkain. I often go out. Madalas akong lumabas. Keep out of this. Iwasan mo ito. I ran out of money. Naubusan ako ng pera. She almost passed out. Muntik na siyang mahimatay. Don't take it out. Huwag mong ilabas yan. How did things turn out? Paano nangyari ang mga bagay-bagay? She was about to go out. Palabas na sana siya. We made it out of there. Nakalabas kami roon. Were you out last night? Lumabas ka ba kagabi? Don't you want to go out? Ayaw mo bang lumabas? I'm going out for a while. Lalabas muna ako saglit. May I go out? Maaari ba akong lumabas? I went out to buy some food. Lumabas ako para bumili ng pagkain. I can't get her out of my mind. Hindi siya mawala sa isipan ko. Don't let her go out after dark. Huwag mo siyang palabasin pagkagat ng dilim. In spite of the rain, I went out. Sa kabila ng ulan, lumabas ako. Will you go out alone? Lalabas ka bang mag-isa? Did anyone call me while I was out? May tumawag ba sa akin habang nasa labas ako? How can we go out? Paano tayo lalabas? It came out to be true. Iyon ang lumabas na totoo. Are you out of your mind? Nababaliw ka na ba? I can't go out due to heavy rain. Hindi ako makalabas dahil sa sobrang ulan. All of a sudden, the light went out. Bigla na lang namatay ang ilaw. Let's get out of here. Umalis na tayo rito. Why don't you go out with him? Bakit hindi ka lumabas kasama siya? It will never work out. Hindi iyon gagana. Let's try this out. Subukan natin ito. Did he ask you to go out? Pinalabas ka ba niya?